Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Diverse Delicacies, where we explore the world of cooking through a diverse range of recipes. Today, we're going to dive into the world of cooking and learn about some mouth-watering dishes from around the globe. First up, let's talk about the classic Italian dish, spaghetti carbonara. This delectable pasta dish is made with spaghetti, eggs, cheese, and pancetta, and it's a must-try for any pasta lover. The key to a perfect carbonara is to use a combination of egg yolks and whole eggs, as well as a generous amount of cheese. Once you've got your pasta cooked, it's time to add the egg mixture, cheese, and pancetta. Toss everything together, and you've got yourself a delicious spaghetti carbonara. Next, let's move on to the iconic French dish, coq au vin. This hearty chicken stew is a classic French dish that's perfect for a cold winter night. To make this dish, you'll need to marinate your chicken in red wine, garlic, and herbs for at least a day. Once your chicken is marinated, it's time to cook it in a pan with bacon, mushrooms, and onions. Add some stock and cook until the chicken is tender and the sauce is thick and rich. Now, let's head to Asia and try our hand at making pad thai. This Thai dish is a staple in Thai cuisine and is a must-try for any foodie. To make pad thai, you'll need to cook rice noodles in a wok with a mixture of fish sauce, tamarind, sugar, and garlic. Once your noodles are cooked, add in your protein of choice, and top it off with some bean sprouts, peanuts, and lime juice. Last but not least, let's explore the world of Mexican cuisine and learn how to make a classic chicken taco. This dish is a crowd pleaser and is perfect for a quick and easy meal. To make chicken tacos, you'll need to season your chicken with a blend of spices and cook it in a pan. Once your chicken is cooked, it's time to assemble your tacos with some shredded lettuce, tomatoes, and a squeeze of lime juice. And there you have it, folks! A taste of the world in one delicious meal. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the world of cooking, and I can't wait to share more recipes with you in the future. Remember, food brings people together, and there's no better way to explore the world than through its delicious dishes. Thank you so much for joining me today, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking!